Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advanced English course. In today's video, we'll be doing listening practice and then we'll have a vocabulary breakdown. So I'll be showing you a conversation before and after watching a movie. Let's say two people are talking, they wanted to watch a movie, and once they have watched it, they will discuss about it. So the conversation that I'm going to show you right now, there will be a couple of steps that you have to follow. Step 1, listen to the conversation without any disturbance. Listen carefully, because this session is all about enhancing your listening skills so that you can work on your pronunciation and you can work on sounding more natural. And then once the listening part is done, we have highlighted couple of words and phrases which you guys can start using when you have similar conversation with your friend or your colleague. So you will focus on the words at the same time. And then step 3 is we will be breaking down couple of vocab, couple of phrases in the session, and remaining document will be shared with you as a free PDF for this document. Hope you will have some fun in this session. Let's start. Planning to watch the movie.
Hey Ash, free this weekend? Chava just came out. I really want to watch it.
Oh yes, Vicky Kaushal as Sambhaji Maharaj. This is going to be epic.
Right, he's amazing in historical roles. Plus Lakshman Atheka's direction is always top notch.
And the music. I heard the background score is super intense.
Exactly. This is a 6 p.m. show at PVR. Should I book the tickets?
Yes, please. Can't wait. Discussing the movie afterwards. Wow, that was insane. Goosebumps everywhere.
Same. Vicky Kaushal nailed it. So intense and powerful.
And those dialogues? Chills. The battle scenes were crazy.
The cinematography was stunning. Every frame looked grand.
Plus the bond between Sambhaji and Shivaji Maharaj was so emotional.
Yeah, not a single dull moment. What an experience.
Totally. I wouldn't mind watching it again.
Me neither. But first I need to process this masterpiece. That was next level.
Now let's reflect on the vocabulary that you just listen in the conversation or you were reading through the presentation. The first word we have is, or a phrase we have is, just came out. So when you want to show that something is released, a movie is released, you can say that just came out. The Chava movie just came out in theaters. Let's go and watch it. Then we have epic. When something is amazing and exciting. So instead of saying that the movie was amazing, the movie was exciting, you can say the movie was epic. So the Chava movie is epic. It's amazing. Then we have top notch. Excellent or of highest quality. Since there is a word here, top, that means it's of excellent quality. The acting in the movie was top notch. It was the amazing acting that could ever be possible. Then we have stunning. Stunning is beautiful and impressive. So I can say the cinematography was stunning. The action or the scene that was there in the movie were stunning. Then if you want the remaining vocab and the PDF, remaining vocab and the phrases, you have to claim your free PDF by writing us an email on learnwithsamanash@gmail.com. We have almost 20 words and phrases discussed in this conversation. You should definitely go and register for this free PDF. It's completely free. Completely free. Alright, and if you haven't followed this Advanced English course playlist, I'm leaving the link over here. You should definitely watch it. At the same time, you can visit our Fluency Club. We have a new batch coming soon and you should definitely be a part of it. It's amazing. That's all for today's video. For the remaining words and phrases, write an email. I'll show you later. Have a good day.